Hey there, Christopher Thunder again from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. So I took the time to make sure that everything was plugged in correctly. And I plugged in the turn signal wires here and here and the brake light wires. And when I did that, I found out that the whole system really isn't working. I get no lights here, and I get a dim light there and a dim light there. And I'm going, okay, well, it was working on the right side before, and now neither side is working. And I'm wondering if something happened here, maybe a short, and I plugged in those turn signals and then maybe knocked out the turn signal relay. So might have to start over again with brand new mini turn signal lights and maybe a new turn signal relay. So it used to work. Used to get a little blinky clicky thing inside, and now you get nothing. You get basically dim lights on either side, dim on the right, dim on the left. That tells me that something else is really wrong. And it's entirely possible that you have something that went bad here, and then you plugged it in to test it, and then you knocked out something else. And these seem to be okay, and I guess they weren't. So we're going to work on this. I'm going to figure it out, and I might need some help from the guys on the forum, but I'm going to get it done. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.